You know you're ready.
Ready.
People like to ask you, Mike, why does your hair look so much better than mine? It's because I use water. Lots of it. This is gutter water. Okay? I ergonomically fix my gutter so that now I get this amazing drip drop of drip drop. A little bit of bird pee, a little squirrel poop, but it's cool though. Look at my hair. It looks amazing, don't it? Looks fantastic. Get it close, baby. Get it close. I can't see. It's a lot of water. Look at my hair. How's it look? Does it look good, everybody? It looks amazing. Yeah. How's it look, Chris?
It looks beautiful.
Oh,
looks
yeah.
beautiful. I can even see part of like the bird's nest that like fell into it.
Is it crappy?
It's great. Oh no. It's natural. Super natural.
Does it look like a commercial, like a slow motion sexy commercial or something?
Super sexy.
Super sexy. Hold on, let me do it again. Hold on, let me bring the floof out too. Let me bring the floof. Floof.
Came through all the way dripping.
Floof. Oh man, how do you guys feel about this? Make you feel things? Make you feel great about yourself? It should. 'Cause I feel good about myself. Cold water. It's the way of life.
Go.
Okay, net or gold. We hit stop a little early. A little premature there. I'm used to premature things. That's how I got my baby. Woo! Alright, let's go now. It's getting cold.